So now that you have your checklist complete, you're going to do your academic course plan. Now, your academic course plan is what you can follow in order to complete your associate degree at RCC. Or if you're in high school, you can follow the classes that you're going to take each semester, and it will lead you to completing your full associate degree if you would like. If not, you'll have a plan in place of classes that you have taken directly off your baccalaureate degree plan, and you know that those will transfer and those are classes that you can follow. So you have your completed checklist here. You've indicated what semester you've taken classes or will take classes, and then you're going to open a Word document and you're going to put your name, the date, and put academic course plan. Now you're going to go through your document and you're going to list by semester the classes you have taken or plan to take. Yes, I know this is an older checklist, but this student, the oldest semester listed is fall 18. So you would come, whatever your oldest semester listed is, and put that. You're going to make that bold. And then you're going to go to your checklist and you're going to put the names of the courses that you are taking or have taken during that semester. So this person has taken English 111. Now, you don't stop there with the course code. You have to actually put the full name of the course next to it. So, how do you know the full name of the course? You can look that up many different ways. I suggest the best way is not to Google it because you might get different answers, but to go to our website, go down to search for courses, click here to go to the course search page. Then any of the course codes that you have on your check sheet, you can put in right here, and it will bring up the name of the course and how many credit hours that course is worth. So then you just go to your academic course plan and you put English 111, Writing and Inquiry. And then next to it in parentheses, you put how many credit hours it's worth. Then you go back to your check sheet and you see if you've had anything else in that same semester. So here's another class, History 131. So you're going to put here History 131. Again, come over here and look up what History 131 is. History 131 is American History 1, and it's worth 3 credits. So you're going to put American History 1 and 3 credits. So let's say that that's all that you have on your checklist for that semester. So you're going to put total and you're going to put 6 credit hours. Then you're going to go to your next semester that you have listed on your check sheet. So for this student, it's spring 2019. You're going to list that there. And then you're going to do the same thing that you did above. Go to the check sheet and look at the classes that are spring 19. So like sociology would be a class that you would put here. And then this class is Introduction to Sociology. I just know that from teaching it. And it is worth 3 credit hours. So you're going to do that for each semester. You're going to total each semester at the end with the hours. It's good if you put these in alphabetical order. It makes it easier to see. When you're all done with your completed academic course plan at the very bottom, you're going to put total hours, and your total hours should equal 60 to 61 hours after you've planned out your semesters. Now, you can take more than 4 semesters to get your associate degree done, even though your plan might say 4 semesters, because you are a high school student. So you have extra semesters that you're starting to take classes, and that's okay to have extra classes. Something to keep in mind for being a high school student is you must finish UGETSI before you move into these other elective associate degree classes. So when you make your academic course plan, I should see that you finished UGETSI in your plan before you move into the other classes. So you may have to correct your check sheet if you didn't make yourself aware of that. So that means you have to have met the requirements listed here. So for English, it's both English classes. For Humanities Fine Arts, if it's Associated Science, you need 2 Humanities Fine Arts. If it's Associative Arts, you need 3. Social behavioral, you need 2 for Associate of Science. You need 3 for Associate of Arts. For science, you need 2 credits for Associate of Science, 1 credit for Associate of Arts. For math, you need 2 credits for Associate of Science and 1 credit for Associate of Arts. And everyone must complete ACA 122, which is this class. All that must be completed in this top box before you can move down to these other boxes. So you'll need to make sure your check sheets indicates that you've completed those things. So then when you're typing them out on your course plan, then your first semester should include your UGETC courses. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you save your work and submit your Word document to me so that I can edit it and correct it, because you're going to submit your revisions and your correct course plan when you turn in your transfer portfolio project. Also, you'll want a corrected course plan in order to follow it as you pursue your classes at RCC. You're going to take your academic course plan that you're working on and your checklist to your advisor for your advisor meeting to have them check it before you turn it in to me. Thank you.